My name is Chavez, and I'm a filmmaker, so I'm showing a film here tonight. What got me into filmmaking was just growing up hearing stories from my grandmother and aunts and uncles, man, the crazy family. So here I am trying to gather all those stories and turn them into films. My work is created by Visual Vagos Films and Chavez Photography.
So you think you can get your grandma to send me some of them tortillas?
Yeah, how redneck you just sounded right there. Tortillas. It's tortillas, man. Bring this back. Oh, what, you think you're bad now, Tortilla? You think you're bad now, Tortilla?
Bring it. Let's see what you got. Hey, Princess. I decided to record these videos on Daddy's computer for you. I'll try to remember to do them more often while I'm here working. I just got your latest masterpiece. I love how you drew Mommy's smile. That's what I fell in love with first.
My favorite part of my work is actually just taking some photographs, going home, turning those photographs into short films, and then getting people to come on board and tell some stories. You know, my personal goals for my career is to just eventually make a feature film and start doing this professionally so I can get out of doing spreadsheets all day. You can get more information about my work at rawartist.org/RainChavez. My name is Rain Chavez, and I'm a raw artist.